Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you how you can use our Google Maps API for scraping data from Google Maps pages. Let me just first give you an overview of how a map Google Maps page looks like. So this is a typical Google Maps page looks like. So if I search for a coffee place on a certain coordinate, then I will be provided with a list of coffee places in that particular location. So in this video, I will show you how you can scrape this complete information using Scrapingdog APIs. Let's start. So right now I am on my dashboard and I will explain you like how you can scrape all this information in just a single GET request. So just I've mentioned the query as coffee and these are my coordinates. You can pass any string uh, over here. Let's try. So this is the data you get from the API. As you can see, you got the title of the store. You got what kind of shop is that. You got the address of that shop. You got the operating hours, phone numbers, the website. So you get all this information in a beautiful JSON format. How you can use it, like you can use this API for lead generation or maybe sentiment analysis through the reviews you get from this API. You can use this, you can read more about this API through our docs page. And if you have any query regarding this API, then you can email us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.